I'm Joel Cowan, and I'm VP of Operations here at CNC Machining.
I'm Gabe Cowan. I'm a product manager here at CNC Machining.
I'm Tanner Cowan, and I'm the VP of Manufacturing.
We've been doing business with M3's since 2014. On site, we typically don't do laser cutting or vend operations or forming, and that is all Sam's wheelhouse. That's his bread and butter.
For CNC Machining, we purchase various parts that goes on various product lines that we have here at CNC Machining. So we're getting all laser work parts and bent parts are getting purchased from M3, and they're helping keep the flow going, and they're really helping us get our product line off the ground and moving. The customer service is pretty next level, especially in the industry that we're in, and just the reliability. Like if they say they'll get you a part on Friday, you know you're gonna have the part on Friday, and that goes a long way. Their parts are just as good as you can find from any other company. And then where they kind of had the edge up on those other companies is the customer service. Like I think you'd be very hard pressed to find another company that can match that customer service. So
There's been multiple times, unfortunately, that we've been lined down situations where I've had to call Sam, Tyler, Drew, any of the guys, and just tell them right up front, hey, this is our bad, not yours, but I need it now. And usually the answer is, of course.
I've actually started driving to Bloomfield before I even made the call, just confident that they'll be able to help me out.
Just like us, M3's family owned and operated, and they treat us just like we are part of their family, and it shows every day that we work with it.